Have you ever pondered the mysteries that shroud Venus, our celestial neighbor? This tantalizing orb, gleaming in our night sky, has been a source of curiosity for eons, whispering secrets we've yet to fully unravel. Venus, often dubbed as Earth's twin, is the second planet from the Sun in our cosmic neighborhood. It's a title well earned, for Venus is not unlike our home in terms of size and mass. Yet, under this semblance of familiarity, lies a world that's anything but similar. From our vantage point, Venus presents a tranquil facade, a serene golden sphere dancing in the twilight. But don't let this calm demeanor fool you. Beneath this peaceful exterior, Venus is a veritable hellscape. A world where the reality is as harsh as it is unforgiving. Imagine a place where the temperatures are hot enough to melt lead, soaring above an astounding 860 degrees Fahrenheit. A world where the air is so dense it would feel like being hundreds of feet underwater on Earth. Picture a sky, not blue, but filled with thick, swirling clouds of sulfuric acid, casting a perpetual gloom over the barren volcanic landscape below. This is Venus. A world of extremes, a world that defies our understanding of what a planet can be. Venus stands as a stark reminder that appearances can be deceptive. Its serene, golden glow belies a reality that is far from tranquil. It is a testament to the paradoxes that exist in our universe, a paradox we've been trying to decode for centuries. From ancient astronomers to modern scientists, Venus has been a beacon of intrigue and exploration. Its mysteries have coaxed us out of our terrestrial confines and into the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Venus, a paradox in our cosmic backyard, has been the subject of intrigue and exploration for centuries. The fascination with Venus began as early as the ancient civilizations. This radiant celestial body, which we know as the second planet from the Sun, has been catching the eye of humanity for millennia. Its brilliance in the night sky has not only inspired awe and curiosity, but has also played a significant role in the mythologies and cultures of various ancient civilizations. To the ancient Egyptians, it was the morning and evening star associated with the goddess Isis. The Mayans, with their advanced understanding of astronomy, recognized Venus as the same celestial body appearing in the morning and evening, and even developed a calendar based on its movements. The Romans named it Venus, after their goddess of love and beauty, a name that has endured through the ages. But the intrigue didn't stop at mythology. The birth of scientific observations brought about a paradigm shift in our understanding of this captivating planet. Enter the 17th century, and the stage was set for a breakthrough. A man named Galileo Galilei, armed with his rudimentary telescope, made an observation that would forever change the way we perceive our cosmos. Galileo observed Venus going through phases, much like our moon. This was a crucial discovery, as it provided empirical support for the Copernican model of the solar system, which postulated that the planets, including Earth and Venus, revolve around the Sun. This was a revolutionary idea at the time, contradicting the widely accepted geocentric model that placed Earth at the center of the universe. Galileo's observations of Venus played a pivotal role in our understanding of the solar system's dynamics. It was a testament to the power of scientific observation and reasoning, laying the groundwork for future explorations and discoveries. These early observations were just the beginning of mankind's quest to unravel the mysteries of Venus. The stage was set, the curtain had been raised, and the journey to uncover the enigma of Venus, with its thick clouds and extreme temperatures, had just begun. It's a journey that we continue today as we delve deeper into the cosmos, driven by our insatiable curiosity and the desire to understand our place in the universe. The 20th century marked a new era in our exploration of Venus. This was a time of great leaps and bounds in space exploration, as the human race ventured further into the cosmos than ever before. In the mid-20th century, NASA's Mariner missions began to unlock the secrets of our celestial neighbor. Mariner 2, launched in 1962, was the first successful mission to Venus, revealing a world shrouded in thick carbon dioxide-filled clouds, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Mariner 10, launched in 1973, gave us our first close-up images of Venus's cloud tops, unveiling a world of mesmerizing beauty and complex atmospheric dynamics. These missions provided us with the first clues about Venus's greenhouse effect, a natural process that traps heat in the planet's atmosphere, causing surface temperatures to soar. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union was racing to explore Venus with its Venera missions. Venera 4, launched in 1967, confirmed the high temperatures and pressures on Venus's surface, while Venera 7, launched in 1970, became the first spacecraft to successfully land on another planet. Perhaps the most groundbreaking discovery came from Venera 9 and 10, which were launched in 1975. These missions provided the first images of Venus's surface, revealing a barren, rocky landscape scarred by intense volcanic activity. This was the first evidence of active volcanoes on Venus, a discovery that profoundly altered our understanding of this enigmatic planet. The Venusian surface was no longer perceived as a static, unchanging world, but as a dynamic, geologically active one, akin to Earth. The culmination of these missions was the realization that Venus, despite its apparent similarities with Earth, was a world of extremes, a place of searing heat and crushing pressure, shrouded in a dense, toxic atmosphere. These missions painted a picture of Venus as a hellish world, quite contrary to its angelic appearance from Earth. And yet the allure of Venus remains as we continue to probe its mysteries, fueled by the endless curiosity of the human spirit. The quest to explore Venus continues in the 21st century. In this relentless pursuit of knowledge, the past few years have seen some intriguing discoveries. The one that truly took the world by storm was the potential signs of microbial life in Venus's clouds. Yes, you heard that right. Life. In 2020, scientists detected phosphine, a gas often associated with life on Earth in the Venusian atmosphere. This sparked a wave of excitement and speculation, causing us to question our understanding of life's existence beyond Earth. But the journey doesn't stop there. Our curiosity about our celestial neighbor has led to the planning of several upcoming missions. NASA, not one to be left behind in the space race, has announced 2 missions set to embark for Venus within this decade. The first, Veritas, aims to understand Venus's geologic history. It will map the planet's surface to determine why Venus developed so differently from Earth. The second mission, Da Vinci Plus, will plunge through the dense Venusian atmosphere. It will measure the gases and other elements present to understand how the atmosphere formed and evolved. Also, Da Vinci Plus will send back the first high-resolution images of Venus's unique geological features, often referred to as tesserae. These missions are not just about exploration, they're about understanding why Venus, so similar to Earth in size and composition, turned out so differently. Is it a case of different evolutionary paths, or a stark warning of a possible future Earth could face? As we continue to probe into the heart of Venus, we should remember that each discovery, each mission, is a testament to our thirst for knowledge, our resilience, and our insatiable curiosity. These future missions promise to bring us one step closer to solving the enigma of Venus. Despite centuries of observation and exploration, Venus continues to baffle us. Indeed, the more we learn about this celestial neighbor, the deeper the mystery seems to stretch. Key enigmas that continue to puzzle us include the cause of Venus's retrograde rotation, the absence of water, despite its Earth-like size and mass, and the tantalizing possibility of life lurking within its cloud layers. First, let's consider Venus's peculiar rotation. Unlike most planets in our solar system, Venus spins in the opposite direction. This unusual phenomenon, known as retrograde rotation, is a cosmic riddle that scientists have yet to fully decipher. Some theories suggest a massive collision in Venus's past could have caused this odd spin, but as of today, it remains a tantalizing mystery. Next on our list of Venusian enigmas is the curious case of its missing water. Given Venus's size and mass, which are remarkably similar to Earth's, one might expect to find liquid water on its surface. Yet Venus is bone dry. Its thick atmosphere, composed largely of carbon dioxide with traces of sulfuric acid, creates a greenhouse effect so extreme it could have evaporated any surface water long ago. But the question remains, did Venus ever have significant amounts of water to begin with? And finally, we come to the most speculative mystery of all. Could there be life in the clouds of Venus? Recent studies have detected phosphine, a gas often associated with biological processes, in the planet's upper atmosphere. While this doesn't prove the existence of life, it certainly adds another layer to the enigma. Could it be that life exists, not on the scorching surface, but in the more temperate cloud layers of Venus? As we continue to explore Venus, we can only wonder what other secrets this enigmatic planet holds. The mysteries of Venus serve as a reminder that our universe is full of wonder, waiting to be discovered. Each new finding brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast cosmic playground. Venus, with its harsh realities and enduring mysteries, continues to captivate us. From our earliest observations of the planet, through the breakthroughs of 20th century probes, to the most recent discoveries and planned future missions, Venus continually draws us in. Its enigmatic nature and the mysteries that still remain beckon us to keep exploring, to keep questioning. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the mysteries of Venus serve as a reminder of the infinite wonders that await us in our cosmic journey.